Well, welcome to sunny Launceston. My name's Ivan Berry. I'm the General Manager of McElligott's in Tasmania. I've been in the industry for 25 years. So the Seaport Pedestrian Bridge was designed by the Launceston City Council to link the seaport to the new Northbank development, where there's the Silo Hotel and also a new Northbank playground. We were engaged by a major fabricator, Haywards, and Haywards were engaged by Bridge Pro, who did the construction and design of the bridge. We wanted something through our workshop that we could turn around quite quickly in the winter months. Wattyl has a good presence here in Tassie, good local support, and we knew the products were going to work. Long track history, and it was going to be easy for us to touch up in the future. The highlight of this project is how local it is. The Launceston City Council has engaged local designers, fabricators and painters to put this together, bringing people into a new development area like Northbank. Well, I've been using Wattyl over the 25 years that I've been involved in the industry, and I definitely recommend them for all sorts of applications. McElligott's will definitely work with Wattyl again in the near future.